Hi YouTube, just wanted to do a quick review on the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. On the Victorinox website, this model name is the One Hand Trailmaster, but on Amazon.com the product name is One Hand Trekker. Out of the box is a user guide featuring some of the usage and care of the tool. On the box itself, it has the model number 0.8463.MW3. Some general specifications of the tool. The color itself is black with the red Victorinox logo. This logo is printed on, so there may be a risk of sharp object scratching it off. The general length of the tool is 111 millimeters. The width of the tool is 34.5 millimeters, and the height is 18 millimeters. Going through some of the onboard tools, we start with the can opener with incorporated flathead screwdriver. This can opener is forward action. Next up we have the bottle opener. The bottle opener has a liner lock. There is a press imprinted on the liner itself. You would press the liner to the side, allowing the bottle opener to fold into the tool. Once again, this is the bottle opener with incorporated screwdriver as well as a wire stripper. The wire stripper, you would place the wire right here in the groove, pressing down and pulling away. Next up we have the wood saw. The wood saw is good length. It has very aggressive edges. And the length of the tool itself acts as a grip handle to really put down pressure on the saw. Next up is the one-hand operated main blade. This features a liner lock as well. It is part serration and part straight edge. The lock is fairly tight with little to no play. Again, there is also a press imprinted on the liner, which you press to the side to push the liner to the side, allowing you to fold the tool back in. Next up is the Phillips screwdriver. The construction of a Phillips screwdriver is fairly solid, but there is a bit of play when applying pressure. It does go either way, either this way or going backwards to this place. I'm not sure if this is the problem with the design itself of the placement of the tool at the center, but when you're applying pressure on a particular screw, I find it sometimes difficult, especially if it's on an edge, that you'll sort of run into difficulty applying pressure to that particular point. The same goes with the reamer or the punch. This also has a little play to this side as well. When you're applying downward pressure, it may be difficult. You don't want that to move. Next up is the toothpick. This is pretty standard Swiss Army Victorinox toothpick, as well as the small pliers. Regarding the size itself, it is being carried on a daily basis. Here's a comparison for a credit card size card and a wallet. I find it any larger than the current size, there would be difficulty carrying it in the pocket, and at this size I find it fairly comfortable to carry on a daily basis in my pockets. This particular model is on sale on Amazon.com for about $32. Given the value itself and the quality, the build quality of the particular tool, I find it to be a fairly good value for the price that you're paying. Thank you for watching my review. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave me a comment. Thank you.